I'm feeling pretty defeated. Yesterday, I had one of these cans just be a dud on me. It did not work. I tried and I tried and I tried. Many of you shared on Instagram stories that I probably just had a dud can. Mixing joint compound, some water, make it a bit thinner. Friggin' figuring a way to do this today. So done. I took it back to the building supply store and they said they've had a bad batch. They gave me a new can, and what I'm trying to do is fill this ceiling patch up there. It does not match the rest of it. Needs a little bit more texture. I think I gotta just sand down the whole thing. Let's see if this can is a dud or maybe it explodes. Apparently some of the cans have been exploding. This is the last part of our main floor renovation. What happened here is we took out a closet, and that's why we had this extra patch in the ceiling that needed to be repaired. You gotta shake it really good. I know that much. Please let it work. That's how it's supposed to go. Frickin'. Doesn't it really go? There you go. It's supposed to shoot up more. Really? Done. Done again. What am I doing wrong? Officially done. Dead. Well, I think we have another can that's a dud. I'm over it. Yesterday, I mixed up a bunch of joint compound with some water and I just flung it on the ceiling. Got some frustrations out. I'm gonna let this all dry and then sand it down a bit and we're gonna see what it looks like. I do not recommend this product. I used it in the hallway and it was fine, but now this time I cannot get it to work. So just saying, use with your own discretion. This is what real DIY is. There's a lot of fails. You just figure out a way to make it work, and that's what we're gonna do. This actually looks kind of funny. Look at it all just like hanging down. This stinks. Honestly, it looks terrible. I don't care. There's nowhere in the house that I'm gonna sit and be looking at it. I can't see it. It's on the other side of the beam. So I'm over it. I'm over it. We're just gonna leave it how it is.
You might be wondering why we left this for the very last part after the floors and everything was done. And to be honest, it was really just poor planning on my part. So yeah, learn from me and do it before you do your floors and walls and stuff.
What are you laughing at? Yeah. I did a good job, right?
Okay, and for the final reveal, here is what the ceiling looks like. It looks really, really good, all painted. It matches the other side of the house now. And for an up close of the patch job, are you ready for this? I don't even know how to look at it without laughing. It's so bad.
It's so bad. So I hope this video serves as a what not to do, and if you successfully patched a popcorn ceiling
Let me know in the comments, and hit subscribe if you want more real life DIY projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.